You're missing out because you're trying not to pay annual fees on your credit cards. I understand you want to get credit cards that's free, that's there's no fees, no annual fees or nothing like that. I used to get people a lot of times that would ask for that, but there's a lot of perks that come with those cards. Me personally, I talk about the American Express Gold and Platinum cards all the time because they're like two of my favorite cards. I use them all the time. My personal Platinum, personal Gold, and business Platinum and business Gold. I use those all the time for just about everything because I get a lot of points. I fly for free. I travel for free. Probably don't see it a lot on my page, but I be a lot of places. And it's just a perk of having good cards. But there are fees for that. Like the Platinum card is like $700 a year. The Gold card is like $300 a year. So every 12 months you have to renew that card. But it makes up for it in so many different ways with all of the different benefits that you get. For instance, with the Platinum card, you can have $240 in entertainment credits per year. So instead of me looking at it like how I pay $700 a year for this card, well, now they're taking away $240. I'm gonna pay for entertainment anyway. So then now they're gonna give me $240 back. Whoa! Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're gonna be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is gonna take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. So now it's only $500. And then when you add up all of the rest of the different benefits that you get, it really makes up the difference. It's just a lot of people don't want to pay that annual fee, but don't be scared of the annual fee cards because you're missing out on a lot of different perks, I can guarantee you.